Today we're going to open a pink LOL and a golden one and a pink Kinder Egg and a blue one and a pink one and a blue one and a pink one. Lots and lots of blue ones and pink ones. So they actually came in boxes, but we brought them from Yumbu. So let's open the first one, which is blue. So we will open this one and try to figure it out much as we can. So we have the spoon with the surprise under it. We have the egg with the surprise, that is what I'm talking about. Where are all the pieces? There they are. We have the chocolate, which is I don't like, that's why I don't eat it. But sometimes I eat it because I like the whiteness. I don't like the brown balls. So that's why I eat it just from the sides. So let's see what we get. It's a translucent heart, you can say, with a sticker boy and girl. So we will open up a pink one now. So we have the chocolate and surprise toy, which is I'm holding. I can't wait to see what we get. I wonder what we got. We have some I think we have some 2 blue pieces and 2 yellow pieces, I think. Actually, there are 3 and some 2 cards. There's something else left in the egg. Oh, 2 more yellow and blue pieces. I think it's a picture frame that came from a real camera, but you don't know the theme. But even I don't know where they came from, which camera, but I don't know. So we will just build them up. So we open the blue egg. Let's see what we get. So we have some cards and a blue pic. So I think we got a picture frame, which comes with a boy and girl. So we don't know the theme. This is the boy and here's the girl. I'm holding it sideways. I actually don't know why. So let's start opening the other pink one. We will just go and figure this out. So we have the Kinder Egg, which is has the toy, and we also have the chocolate, which is I eat. I don't like the balls, as I said in the other one. So let's see what we get. We have a little map to see the name or the theme, and the other one is to find out what we got on the collection. And that's actually the collection list. We also got some stickers, and we also have a heart translucent piece and a skin tone piece. It's another of these hearts, you can say, with a sticker, but it's actually translucent, so it goes also on the back just like before. But I don't think it goes on the back. Maybe it does, but whatever, we don't know. We'll just keep on going by putting it together. We have to put it smooth as we can, so we can play with it very smoothly. So let's keep on going. Here's what I get from the egg. Let's keep on going by opening some more. So friends, let's open some more Kinder Eggs. Now we will open the blue one. Let's take the blue one and then open it. But first we'll check the collecting list so we know what we get. So let's see what we get. It's some picture frames, as you can say, that came from a camera, but we don't know the theme because we're not from that theme. So now I'm gonna build the ball. Here is what I get from the Kinder Egg. It's a blue. It was the pink one, but it's actually a ball. We are opening the next one, which is blue. I can't wait to see what we get. I wonder what we got. I think I saw another translucent piece and skin tone piece, and I wonder there is something else left. There are 3 papers. I think one is sticker and one is the name and one is the checklist. Let's build it up and see what we got. Come on, let's go. So we're building a translucent heart, as you can say. Let's just connect the skin tone piece to the translucent, and now we will put the sticker on. So here is the sticker. It's a boy and girl, but I don't know what they're doing. Let's just put it on the heart. So here we got a translucent heart, as you can say, but the sticker is on the back side, which is skin tone. So we have 3 of these hearts. Now we'll open the last pink Kinder Egg. So let's start opening it. Let's go. I can't wait to see. We have the spoon, and I wonder what we get from inside. Let's think what we get. Wow, that's a lot of these. More picture frames like these. But I think there's something else left in the egg. But maybe it's empty now? We will find out. No, it's empty. But I can't wait to see what we get. Some more picture frames from a camera. I can't believe how many toys we're getting that are duplicate and the same color. So let's open the pink LOL. We just zip it and then we wrap the cover up. I can't wait to see what LOL we get. I think it's gonna be Kitty Queen because Kitty Queen is my favorite LOL. But I wonder what we are gonna get. I hope it's really Kitty Queen that I'm hoping. So let's just zip the wrapper off. Wow, we got a pink cylinder. I never seen these type of balls before. I haven't even brought a single LOL yet. I just brought a single little one baby LOL from the mom, which came in a circle ball. It doesn't come with any accessories, nothing. But these ones, I wonder what we're gonna get. I think I saw the torso, and that's the dress. That's the torso and dress. Wow, the bottle just fell out, even the purse and the glasses. I just love the purse. It's so purple and beautiful and very nice. Secret message and magnifying glass. Let's find out the head. And wow, her hair is... What? I thought it was the head. It's actually the shoes. Now we'll see her head. Wow, she's absolutely so gorgeous. Her hair is so blue. It's very lovely. So now we will put the LOL together. She has really blue hair, but first we'll put her dress on. It's like a sparkly pink bow dress, but you can't see the sparkles. They're very small. You can only see them a little bit. So let's just put the dress on. So now we have the dress on. We'll put the shoes on, which are very blue, just like the hair. But the hair is actually grey. But it actually looks a bit blue. And we also have a magnifying glass to check something. If it comes with a secret message, that's a secret message behind. And right now, as you can see, the doll is all ready. She already comes with a purple purse and some, like sunglasses. And Now we'll open the golden one. You just open the zipper and then we just wrap the paper off. You can already see a pink hole in the paper. But now here we have the cylinder. Here is the keyring to make it as a little chain. You can carry it around everywhere, but first you can even put the things in the ball. So now let's take out everything we have. That's the sunglasses. Those are the sunglasses over there, and the purse and shoes and dress. And let's see the body. And here we got the head. She's absolutely so gorgeous. You can't even believe that. Now, let's see her bottle. She has a circly bottle. It's so cute. And we can actually take out the bottle tip from the handle with the pencil. So I tried that, but I did it, and the doll can hold it now. So here we are having her getting all dressed. We have her dress and shoes on and a hat on. And we have her glasses on and we have her bottle. But first, we also forgot her purse. And now we will show the whole setup. Here she is. Now we will open the doll. Now we will open the doll, which we have with the straightener and purse. But here are all the toys we've got from the eggs and LOLs. So let's open the doll now. So now we will just have to take off the tape before opening the doll. And now we will open the box, but we have some more tape on. So now we take the tape off and now we will open the box. So here we have the doll, but we're taking her out. Here she is. She's so beautiful. She has a white coat on and a pink dress with so many dots. And pink shoes, and look at her hair. It's kind of like the color of Cinderella's hair. But her hair is more yellow and bright yellow. But her hair is a bit white, but it is like Cinderella. And here we have the straightener, so I'm going to try to straighten her hair. I actually have to practice by using the straightener because I don't know, because I'm too little. Anyways, we have the purse there. It comes with a bow, a yellow bow, snapped on, and that's the pin. It's a pink and purple pin. Actually, it's a flower. So the bow of the purse can actually you can actually snip it off or you can put it back on. But now her coat is also a little bit removable. We can just remove it to her wrists and she can even hold the purse. She can't hold the straightener because there's no handle over there, and only bottles have handles. So dolls or humans can actually hold bottles. And so if you like my video, subscribe on my channel and give me a thumbs up.